In today's video, I'm going to show you about one of the new features that Fusion 360 has introduced in its July updates. So, a couple of versions back, Fusion 360 got the sheet metal environment, which was actually very, very cool. I mean, it looks nice, it looks fresh. If you've ever done the traditional, sort of inventor sheet metal, it's great, it works well, but I just think that Fusion 360 and the way that it does sheet metal is really, really cool. So today what I'm going to show you is the Contour Flange. So inventors had this for a while, and it's come with leaps and bounds, and Fusion 360 has finally got its turn. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create two profiles, and we're just going to go create one up over here. Let's bring it up over there, 100. Okay, and then we're going to add another sketch over here. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is let's take a look at creating a contour flange with between two rectangles. Okay, so once again, go to my sheet metal tab, and we've basically just got the one tool, which is the flange tool. And now what you can see is that we've got a edge flange and then a lofted flange. So obviously if I just choose edge flange, we choose that, and it would just choose the face, or I choose the edge, it would just choose that profile. But now what I'm able to do is select the one profile, select my second profile, and you can see there it does a lofted flange. Now, what you'll notice here though as well is that it doesn't have a gap. Okay, and this is as per normal. This, you'd have this in Inventor as well, and you would definitely need a gap if you want to unfold it. If I had to just say, okay, over here, go to my unfold or create flat pattern, it kind of essentially makes a flat pattern, but it doesn't. It thinks it has done it, but it'll still keep that 3D shape over there, which is also what Inventor would do. And then you'd also have, what I would do is just cut a little a gap over there, and then it would be able to unfold it. Okay. The next one that we're going to take a look at is just going to put the visibility back on again. Okay, is just having a sketching up to a circle over here. Now there are more than there's more than one different, and let's just show you what those two methods are. So I'm going to go to Lofted Flange, select my one profile, select my second profile, and you can see there I've got two. I've got a break form and I've got a die form. Now, before I get there, just orientation, if you just take a look in here, you can either go on the inside, you can go on the outside, also outside, inside, or you can go from the center. Or what you can do is you can also have facet control. So you can see how this is the break form, and then if I go die form, you'll see that it sort of smooths out those corners over there. So if you're familiar with Inventor and sheet metal components, this is very much similar to that. And then with your facet control, chord tolerance, you put your chord tolerance in, your angle, the facet distance, or the facet number. Okay, so you can see there how we can, oopsie, no, that's not going to work. Probably frozen my Fusion. Okay, while it thinks. So you'll see there how I can change those values over there, and then with the die form, it selects over there. What I would suggest is just going to make it a new component, and then being able to go and change my sheet metal rule over there to conform to what I've got in my rule. And as always, if you want to, you can override the rules as well, and you'll see there you can override your bend rules, your bend radius over there. Okay, so great work, Autodesk, once again. I'm just going to go quickly just show you what the flat pattern of this looks like. If I had to go to my sketch, let's see if I can get in there. Let's just sketch over here. Okay, I was going to do kind of a thickish rectangle to do a cut. Extrude. I wouldn't really do this. I would want more of a perpendicular cut coming out. But now what I can do is I can go to my create flat pattern, and it'll create my flat pattern for me over there, and then from here I can go and export it to DXF for further manufacturing down the line. And there we go. So the new Lofted Flange in sheet metal with Fusion 360, a great start to a great tool. Thank you very much for watching.